head of state, distinguished representative of international organization, esteemed guests. Good morning. I am Ami Cynthia Ramdhani Zainuddin, privileged to represent the Republic of Indonesia in this esteemed forum. Today, I address the sovereignty dispute over Pulau Sepadan and Pulau Legitan, two islands integral to Indonesian territorial heritage. Indonesian assert its legitimate claim to these islands, grounded in historical title, colonial inheritance, and effective administration, as upheld by the principle of international law, including to the UN Charter, the 1982 UN Convention on the Law of the Sea, and the Statute of the International Court of Justice. We stand committed to a peaceful and just resolution of this matter. In 1998, Indonesia and Malaysia jointly submit this dispute to the ICJ under Article 36, Section 2 of its statute, reflecting our shared dedication to resolving territorial dispute peacefully, as mandated by Article 2, Section 3, and Article 33 of the UN Charter and Article 279 of UNCLOS. Indonesia rightfully acknowledge the authority of this forum and the ICJ to adjudicate this matter. We seek a fair ruling that affirms Indonesian rightful sovereignty over Sepadan and Legitan, supported by clear legal and historical grounding. Pulau Sepadan, the 21-hectare island, renowned for its marine biodiversity, and Pulau Legitan, a 6-hectare seabird habitat, lie in the Sulawesi of the north coast of Borneo, Indonesia. Indonesian claims originate from their inclusion within the Dutch East Indies, as delineated by the 1891 Convention between Great Britain and the Netherlands. Article 4 of this convention establishes the boundary at 4 degrees 10 north in latitude, placing both islands south of this line, which is Dutch territory, which continues as of the surrounding water by Indonesian fishermen from East Kalimantan. A practice rooted in this customary principle of historical waters. Historical records confirm that these islands fell under the authority of the Sultanate of Bulungan, which ceded its territory of Dutch, not the Sultanate of Sulu as others may claim. Dutch colonial authorities exercised sovereignty through naval patrols and recourse concession, solidifying Indonesian legal and historical connection to the islands. Indonesian claim rests on 3 fundamental pillars of international law. First, the principle of uti possidetis juris and the 1891 Convention, as the successor to the Dutch East Indies. Indonesia inherits all territories under Dutch control, including Sepadan and Legitan. Article 4 of the 1891 Convention clearly placed these islands south of the 4-10 north latitude boundary within Dutch jurisdiction. Neither this convention nor the subsequent 1915 Convention extend the islands to British jurisdiction. The principle of uti possidetis juris, a cornerstone of international law, ensure that Indonesian control colonial boundaries remain intact, affirming our legal title. Second, the customary principle of historical water. For generations, Indonesian fishermen from East Kalimantan have released on the waters around Sepadan and Legitan for their livelihood. A practice document before and after Indonesian independence. Discontinuous and traditional use established a deep historical connection, recognized under international law as a basis for sovereignty over maritime and adjacent islands territories. Third, effective occupation by the Netherlands. Indonesian prison robust evidence of Dutch colonial arbitration, including naval patrols by personnel such as the line in 1921 and hydroponic surveys by the master in 93, demonstrating coincidence state authority. The Dutch also granted exploration concession to JAPEX, a Japanese company covering waters around the islands, reflecting clear intent to exercise sovereignty. This aid, combined with the absence of contrast, competing claim based on post-1999 activities, such a conversion of infrastructure, led historical depth and violence of 1969 status quo agreement, which Indonesia has faithfully honored. Indonesia respectfully requests that this extreme forum and the ICJ recognize the Republic of Indonesian sovereignty over Pulau Sipadan and Pulau Legitan based on, first, the clear territorial delineate in the 1891 Convention. Second, the principle of uti possidetis juris, affirming Indonesian inheritance of Dutch colonial territories. Third, evidence of effective occupation and historical use by Indonesia and its colonial procedure. We further request that any maritime delimitation adhere to UNCLOS principles, such as the median line and equity. To ensure a just and balanced resolution, Indonesia remains steadfast. It is committed to peaceful dialogue and regional cooperation to mainly stability with the Asian region. Honorable Head of State, distinguished representative, Indonesian claim to Pulau Sipadan and Legitan is firmly rooted in historical, legal, and administration evidence, supported by the 1891 Convention, the principle of uti possidetis juris, and our enduring connection to these islands through traditional use and effective governance. We trust that the Forum and the ICJ will deliver a just decision that upholds Indonesian rightful sovereignty. Indonesia reaffirms its dedication to resolving that dispute peacefully, fostering cooperation with all parties, and promoting regional stability. Thank you for your attention. We look forward to a fair and equitable resolution. Thank you.